Kale and detox diets, supporting your body's natural cleanse. Detox diets have gained significant popularity in recent years as people look for ways to cleanse their bodies and improve overall health. One key ingredient that has become a staple in these diets is kale. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, kale is not only delicious, but also supports your body's natural cleanse. First and foremost, kale is abundant in fiber, which plays a crucial role in detoxification. The high fiber content in kale helps regulate digestion and promotes the elimination of toxins from the body. As a result, incorporating kale into your detox diet can aid in maintaining a healthy gastrointestinal system, preventing constipation, and assisting in the removal of waste products. Furthermore, kale is rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C. These antioxidants help protect the body against harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. By consuming kale, you provide your body with essential antioxidants that support its natural detoxification processes and help neutralize toxins. In addition, kale is a potent source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for optimal bodily functions. It is particularly high in vitamin K, which supports the liver's detoxification processes. This vital organ is responsible for metabolizing and eliminating toxins from the body. By incorporating kale into your diet, you can support the liver's function and enhance its ability to cleanse your body. Moreover, kale contains sulfur compounds, such as glucosinolates, that have been shown to have powerful detoxifying properties. These compounds aid in the removal of harmful substances from the body and help protect against various toxins, including carcinogens. By consuming kale regularly, you can support your body's natural detoxification abilities and reduce the risk of toxin-related diseases. Notably, kale is incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your detox diet. Whether in salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or as a side dish, kale can be enjoyed in various forms to suit personal tastes and preferences. Its mild taste and slightly crunchy texture make it a favorite choice for both culinary and detox purposes. Additionally, kale is a low-calorie and low-fat vegetable, making it an excellent choice for those who wish to lose weight while detoxifying their bodies. Its high fiber and water content contribute to increased satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing the temptation to indulge in unhealthy foods. Furthermore, kale is readily available in most grocery stores year-round, making it an accessible and cost-effective option for anyone looking to incorporate it into their detox diet. Whether fresh or frozen, kale retains its nutritional value, making it an equally beneficial choice regardless of its form. In conclusion, kale is an exceptional addition to detox diets due to its numerous health benefits and support for the body's natural cleanse. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, while its antioxidants protect against free radicals and toxins. Furthermore, its rich vitamin and mineral profile, along with its sulfur compounds, contribute to enhancing the liver's detoxification processes and reducing the risk of diseases. With its versatility, delicious taste, and availability, kale is a valuable asset for those seeking to cleanse their bodies and improve their overall well-being through detox diets. I hope this information on the kale detox diet was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics and tips on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, and healthy eating with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat.